Hey, I'm Allie Miller, Chief Growth Officer at the Miller Financial Group. If you've recently switched employers or have an old 401k that you haven't checked on recently, it might be time to consider a rollover. A rollover is a tax-free event of moving investments from one retirement plan to another. Fortunately, rollovers are simple and painless once you understand how they work. To help you get started, I'll walk you through a quick overview of the process. Before beginning your rollover, you'll decide where you want your money to go. You can either roll your money into an individual retirement account, better known as an IRA, or you can roll it into a current employer's 401k plan if one is offered to you. If you're working with a financial advisor, they can help provide any account information you need. Once you know the destination of your money, you can start your rollover. The first step is to speak with your current 401k provider and ask for rollover paperwork. You may also be able to access your paperwork online. Make sure everything is filled out correctly to avoid any delays in the process. Lastly, confirm how your money will be distributed. Some companies deposit the money directly into your new retirement account, while others will send you a check to your mailing address for you to deposit yourself. If this is the case, be sure to complete the deposit within 60 days to avoid a taxable event or incurring penalties. And there you have it. If you start the process and run into any roadblocks, don't hesitate to reach out. We can walk you through any questions you might have to make sure you feel at ease about your financial future.